Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E6 error code on your Electrolux AC unit from the 2025 lineup, you're in the right place. This frustrating error can pop up and leave you sweating, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you can get your cool air flowing again. First off, what exactly is the E6 error? In Electrolux air conditioners, the E6 code typically signals a problem with the evaporator sensor or a communication issue between the indoor and outdoor units. It's one of the more common errors in modern AC systems, often triggered by sensor malfunctions or environmental factors. Now, let's talk about the possible causes. This error might stem from a faulty temperature sensor, loose wiring connections, or even dust buildup blocking the sensor. In some cases, it could be due to power fluctuations or improper installation, especially in the 2025 models which have advanced smart features. To troubleshoot, start by turning off your AC at the circuit breaker and unplugging it for about 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once it's back on, check if the error persists. If it does, inspect the evaporator sensor located near the indoor unit. You'll need to carefully clean any dust or debris around it using a soft brush or compressed air. But remember, always wear gloves and avoid touching electrical parts directly. Next, examine the wiring connections. Make sure all cables are securely plugged in and not frayed. If you're comfortable, you can use a multimeter to test for continuity in the sensor wires, but if not, it's best to call a professional. Another tip: ensure your AC is in a well-ventilated area and not exposed to extreme temperatures, as this can exacerbate sensor issues. If none of these steps work, the problem might require a replacement part, like the sensor itself, which you can order from Electrolux's official site. Always refer to your user manual for model-specific advice. In summary, handling the E6 error is mostly about basic maintenance and resets. If you're still stuck, reach out to a certified technician to avoid any risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. Stay cool out there.